Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about investments in Zimbabwe. We are going to actually talk about investing in stocks. So our topic today is on stocks, the stock market. It's good that we invest ourselves in the stock markets in Zimbabwe, and it's proper to do a research first and check which companies are doing well in the stock exchange era. So it's important to take time and read about these companies, read about Old Mutual, read about OK, read about Delta, read about Insco, because any slight occurrences in these businesses will negatively or positively have an impact on your stock investments. There's a disclaimer. None of these videos constitute of financial advice. If you need any professional financial advice, you need to go and visit your bank or people who have been certified to do so. These are just part and parcel of the things that I've discovered and that I think can help one or two people out there. So on stock markets, I have been familiar with ZSE Direct and also with C-Trade. So you can invest in Zimbabwe using C-Trade or ZSE Direct. So C-Trade, you register on their website. After that, you download the application. They have an application that you can download. I'll take a screenshot and put it down in the comment section below. And once you download it, you can also invest using the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange Direct website. You just sign up there, then you start trading. As I said earlier on, you have to really invest in the company that you want to invest in, because the operations, the day-to-day operations of those companies will make you know that, is the company going to make a profit? Is it going to make a loss? Is it going to pay dividend, or is it going to be profitable for me to invest in that kind of a company? You should also know that there are some companies where the shares are going to be stagnant for quite a while. With economic recessions and depressions, that is bound to happen. So you need to also be strong, because the company you might have invested in might actually not do well, or it might do well. There are cases whereby the company you have invested in does very well, performs well in the market, and at the end of the day or at the end of the year, you are able to get your dividend or get more money from that. So there are some companies like OK, where you can buy your shares. I have a few shares with OK, and with those shares, you know that companies like OK and Delta, they pay dividend at the end of the year. So you know that even if you don't have money, or even if the share price doesn't accumulate, you are bound to receive your dividend at the end of the year. You might not receive your dividend in US dollars, but sometimes they do pay their dividend in Nostro, but they might even also pay the dividend in RTGS. So if you have 1,000 shares, you will be able to get dividend for those 1,000 shares. The more shares you have, the more dividend you get. So apart from other forms of income, you can invest in passive income using the stock markets. You can invest in stocks, various companies, and there are also some companies like ProPlastics. Last year their price per share was going around $26 or something like that, and now I just noticed that it's almost $80 per share. So that's slight change in the share price, especially if it's an increase, it's actually good if you have more shares, because if you manage to gain 10 cents per share, if you multiply 10 cents by 1,000, that's how you get those capital gains for all the shares that you have invested. So apart from buying and selling, this is another avenue that you can use and put your money and get passive income from, because our goal this year is to increase our income streams, and by all means strive to get to the 7 streams of income. Thank you. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.